DJ Delz.
Alright, so we got the Michael Jordan Chicago Bulls Funko Pop, rocking the Air Jordan 3s, which I own. Classic moment when he's jumping from that foul line, rocking the white cement 3s, 1988 Nike Air on the back. But it's all about the Funko Pop. Here's a look at the packaging real quickly. And there was a lot of confusion that this was a Foot Locker exclusive. It is not. You can pre-order this still. I will link it in the description box below if you're looking to pre-order this Funko Pop. Bang that thumbs up button right now for that out-of-the-box review. I know not a lot of people like taking them out of the box. We do that over here, so also make sure to subscribe. Ring that bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified whenever I upload a new video also. Let's take MJ out of the box. And there's a look at him out of the box. I love how he has the stand where he's just flying through the air with the basketball, with the cement 3s. Let me get it focused better. There we go. Looks so sick. His jersey looks awesome. The paint looks good. There's a look at his other side. Little discoloration actually on the paint right there on his face. I think that's glue. I have a funny feeling if I wipe it with like even maybe a baby wipe, it'll help with that glue. There's like a little bit of glue right there. I like to actually give you guys real reviews, not just show you the Funko Pops and criticize it. I mean, that's part of reviewing, right? If I just show you it, that's cool and all, but I like to do that. Let me know what you think of this pop. Is this a must-have? Is this one of the best pops to release in a long time? I mean, Michael Jordan is pretty iconic, and I feel like Funko Pop is all about that. Just like, you know, releasing all these iconic figures. And Michael Jordan is just legendary. Greatest basketball player ever. Some will disagree with that. I hear people say LeBron is better than Michael Jordan. Let me know how you feel about that. Is LeBron better than Michael Jordan? Or hell no! No one's better than Michael Jordan! No! Just playing with y'all. Leave that in the comment box below. I thought it'd be fun to actually have, you know, the white cement sneaker that he's actually wearing in the video. And I hope you guys had fun watching this. I definitely had fun filming it. Let me get up close one time and just give you a close-up shot. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Love the pop. I think it's just so great. I'm a die-hard Jordan guy. I mean, you know, I own tons of sneakers. Tons of Air Jordan sneakers. So, I mean, really dig this one. And they're coming out with one with him wearing Concords and one with him wearing Jordan 1s. One's going to be a Fanatic exclusive. One is going to be an actual Target exclusive. And there you go with a detailed look. Thanks for tuning in. Keep in mind, we have tons of Funko Pop reviews here and more. A lot of NBA Funko Pops I've been reviewing lately. Like I did a review on the LeBron James Funko. The Kyrie Irving Funko Pop, which I love. Really looks like Kyrie. I mean, such a great job they did on it. Also, I just recently did the James Harden review. Another awesome Funko Pop. So, you know, check out all of the reviews. Thanks for tuning in. If you're watching this as a bonus on the Sneaker Addict YouTube channel, make sure to head over to the Delz Show on YouTube and subscribe. Become a member today. And also, if you love podcasts, I have an hour podcast every single week over at patreon.com/DJ Delz. Become a member, hour-long podcast with Q&A. We're doing a monthly giveaway. And check out my newest t-shirts, available now. Check out all the designs. They will be linked in the description box below. Some are Funko Pop inspired, some are sneaker inspired. Definitely check out all the designs. And if you haven't hit that thumbs up button, please do so. Bang, bang, bang. And keep in mind, one more time, you can pre-order this Michael Jordan Funko Pop. I will link down in the description box below, along with other Funko Pops I think you would like to lock in. Thanks for tuning in. Leave them comments. If you have nothing to say, just write "I love Funko." Helps out the channel so much. And of course, we got to announce the winner to the Little Shop of Horrors Audrey 2 giveaway. The winner is TY Funko Pop Newbie. Congratulations, you won this Audrey 2 Funko Pop. Hit me up on Instagram at Real DJ Delz or Delz Toy Show on Instagram, private message, and leave me your address, and I will be shipping this out to you. Congratulations once again. This was a really awesome video. I purchased 7 of these to see how many chases I was going to get. Just a little experiment to seeing if it's really 1 out of 6 with getting chases. Check out the video. It's a really awesome video. I highly recommend checking it out. See if I got any chases. See if I got more than 1 chase. Definitely watch the vid. And congratulations once again to Ty Funko Pop Newbie. Thanks again to everyone that watched today's video. Much love. We out.